See, in one of the talk shows, Keanu Reeves rightly says, in order to be a lover, one needs to be a fighter. Because what kind of love would that be if you don't fight for your love? Heartbreaks, challenges in relationships are quite common at your age. Not that I'm too old, but at your age, it is really quite common. And how to deal with them, especially when you are in preparation, when you know the fact that NEET MDS or INI-CET preparation is life-changing professionally, how to deal with these personal challenges. See, in one of the talk shows, Keanu Reeves rightly says, in order to be a lover, one needs to be a fighter. Because what kind of love would that be if you don't fight for your love? I completely agree with him. However, you should know when to fight. I mean, when you're dealing with some important tasks such as preparation, should you fight for your love, for your relationship at that particular juncture and compromise on your goals or dreams? All I'm saying is give time. I'm not asking you to evade or escape from these challenges. Just give time. During my preparation as well, I had my own set of personal challenges when it came to my relationship. All I did was I gave some time. If your intent is pure and if your actions align with your intent, the entire universe conspires in your favor. All you need to do is give some time. Things will eventually work out. Just give some time.